You know what my favorite color is? I'll tell you in a second, but it was a lot easier than I thought to honestly rewire my brain to save my future self. And I'll tell you how I did that too. But it starts off with how I was before I did this. My favorite color is green, by the way. The main thing I did was just do what I wanted to do in that exact moment. So I always just chased what felt good immediately, like playing video games all the time, eating a lot of junk food, all that stuff. I never really cared how I felt after I did those things. It was only how I felt while it was happening. Even if it just felt good for 10 seconds, a minute, but felt horrible for the rest of the day in the future, I would not care. I would just spend all my time trying to do that. This really started to pick up during 2020 when I didn't have to really go to school, do anything, be outside. I was pretty much living my dream life, but my dream life for just doing what I wanted right away and not caring about the future at all. So the main thing I would do is just play video games all the time during 2020, like Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, any game, Brawl Stars, Clash Royale, any game I could think of that was fun to me, I would play. I'd spend money on it, hundreds of dollars. Any birthday money or something I got, I'd just spend it on those things, on V-Bucks. My whole life revolved around video games, those things. The problem is that it was the only thing I really did in my life, from when I woke up to when I went to sleep. Now though, I tried playing on my Nintendo Switch again, loading up Animal Crossing. It was pretty nostalgic, cool hearing the theme song again, but after playing for it 1 minute, I'm so glad I stopped. It just reminded me of all the times I got angry at it. And it's not that fun as I remembered. Because what I did to switch, to rewire the inner workings of my brain, to enjoy the stuff in the future, and most importantly in real life, make me like doing these things a lot more than just playing video games. So when a big change happened for me, like going to another school, I finally decided to try something new, play a sport. I got into soccer. Then I was spending a lot more time outside, being active, talking with more people. Then I decided to start this little YouTube channel. If you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing. I started trying to experiment with a lot of things in my life and treating my life like it is a video game of its own. Like I have my own currencies, I have my own side quests and experience points to level up. I have different traits that I can learn and develop and master. It's a lot more fun when you think of your life like it's some video game. It's some objective, you have quests. And that's why video games are fun in the first place, is because you have all these customizable things, these quests, these adventures, experiences, storylines, people you meet along the way, sceneries, like all of those things. It's because I didn't really think of that, doing that in real life, because I just had to put a little bit of effort in. But when I just finally started, I just made that first step. It became so easy to do all those things I love doing in video games in real life. I was able to struggle just a little bit and just think about my future self. So now I'm living my life like it is a video game. I'm leveling up the YouTube skill, the confidence skill, anything. I'm just leveling up now. Most importantly, I'm thinking about my future self. It's became to the point where I love what I'm doing in my life that it doesn't even feel that hard to do the things that I'm doing right now and feel like it's hard to do. After thinking, visualizing what my future self could be like, what I could achieve, and believing in those things, running hard, trying, working so hard to try to get those things. You don't have to be perfect at this. I'm not perfect at this all the time. But it's just the fact that you try, you make that effort. You believe that it's possible. It becomes more and more into your reality until it's just the life that you're living. It's the new mode, the new level that you unlocked in your own game of life. I was able to get more time in my life, feel a lot more happier, achieve a lot of more things in my life. I want to do more things for my future self now. I can visualize where I'm going to be, the goals that I want, and how I'm getting closer. I could feel myself getting closer. Try doing this right now. See you later.